Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing your PC so the emulator runs reliably. First, enable CPU virtualization in BIOS. This gives the emulator the performance it needs. Once done, install Android Studio or a heavy-duty emulator such as BlueStacks, then create an Android virtual device with at least Android 11. Make sure to allocate 2+ CPU cores and 4+ GB RAM. Finally, obtain the Google TV APK and enable sideloading in the emulator settings so you can install the app. Now you'll install and configure Google TV inside the emulator. Drag the APK into the emulator window or use ADB install. This puts the app on the virtual device. After installation, open Google TV and sign in with your Google account so watch lists and purchases sync. Next, go to Settings and choose Display Resolution. 1080p gives better clarity, but use 720p if performance is poor. Also select Audio Output Settings. Enable pass-through if using an external receiver for surround sound. To finish, add and authorize your streaming services inside Google TV. Netflix, Prime, and others require sign-in per app. Once added, organize apps on the home row and test playback to confirm DRM and HD streams work. If you prefer, use Chrome's cast feature to push content to the emulator window for quicker control. If video stutters or apps fail, first verify virtualization is enabled, update GPU drivers, and if needed, reinstall the APK. These steps fix most emulator-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.